Hey everyone, I'm Brett from Big Star Lights, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a canopy wrap on a tree. This tree, actually. Canopy wraps are a fairly straightforward installation. Instead of wrapping each branch individually, you're hanging the lights from branch to branch to highlight the canopy structure as a whole. It's pretty simple if you have the right tools. Here, we have a standard painter's pole with a Christmas light dispenser attached to the end of it. I'll show you how this works in a second. Let's get started wrapping that tree. So I've gone ahead and ran power to my tree already. I have it running up the trunk and along to the end of the branch. That's going to be my starting point. You may choose to wrap the trunk as well, but for today, I'm just going to be focusing on the canopy. I'm going to be using warm white mini lights for this installation, but really, you can use any kind you like. So let's get started wrapping this tree. So this is where my Christmas light dispenser is going to come into action. By feeding my lights through the main hole of the dispenser, I can evenly distribute the lights throughout the tree. Now, the key here is we want even spacing, and we want the lights to be towards the end of the branches. Easy peasy. And there you have it, canopy wrapping a tree, made especially easy with the Christmas light dispenser. If you like this video and want to learn more how to be a pro installer, be sure to head over to bigstarlights.ca. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.